With HTML form and media elements. Aim to build a site that conforms to HTML5 standards and has the following elements: doc type HTML, meta HTML5. Description: company homepage structured into three sections using table, header, content, and footer. Header displays the company name. Doc type HTML language in font family Arial sans serif F. Background color margin padding with border collapse margin. Company name, media elements, home HTML application form.